Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. I hope you all are fine. Today we are going to do a language work. You can see the date and day on the slide. We are going to do page number 7. And the next slide is here, page number 7 is there. We are going to do a topic is a crossword. Actually, it is a puzzle game. You can see some of the blocks on the page number 7. So you have to open it, page number 7. There is some of the clues. Here it is a cross and down. Some of the clues you would have a cross. So across you will move in a straight way, and down you will write down in a downwards. So I'm going to play with you. The first crossword is when you are tired, you down. So clue, we may lay. So here a cross I am going to write on the next slide. So this is done. And the next slide, so we have here on the next back. This year I am reading book 4. This year I read book 3. So I read. So it's past form. We will write last year. So here we will write down E S T. Last. Clear? So now I'm going to read. The next is number 2. So what is number 2? We have done this and oops. Number 2 is these large animals have trunks but do not pack them. So do you know what is this? Of course it's animal. And the animal is elephant. So I am going to fill out the number 2. I'll be back. It's done. Now I'm going to read out the number 4. It gives us heat and light. So the answer is sun. That's good. It's S-U-N. Sun. Now number 6 is this is the opposite of small or little. So you have to fill it in a cross way. Opposite of small, of course it is large. So I am going to fill the column number 6. L A, it's R G and E. Can you see it is done? So move to the page number 7 again. So I'm going to read out in the clue. You can see here we are going to fill out in a cross way. The female of he. So of course it is she. It's number 7. So she. H is done here. We will write only E. Can you see? So and we are going to read out number 3. If you want to catch a rat, you have to use a dish. Of course, trap. So number 3 in a down way. So I am going to fill out number 3 in a down. So what I will write? Trap. So it is trap. Number 3 in a down. T, R is done. A, D, R, A, P. Trap. The one thing is important I want to share with you. Can you see some of the blacked area? This or this. You may not need to fill this. So here, this is the rule of the game. You have to fill only the white blocks, not the grey one. Clear? So I'm going to erase these words. This is for only instruction I want to give you. So now move to the page number 7 again. So now I'm going to read out number 4 but in a down. These are made up of words. A few of them make up a paragraph. So these are the words made up of words. A collection of words are called sentence. So you have to write sentences. A few of them make up a paragraph. So the answer is sentences. So SENTENC, it's ENS. This is called sentences. Clear? Number 5. In a down, a bird's house. Of course, a nest. So number 5, N E O home. Num num num. I have to erase it first. Then I'm going to use pencil. NEST. It's nest. So number is 8. I'm going to read out. You sleep in one or flowers grow in it. In a cross you have to fill, okay? So you sleep in one bed or flowers grow in it bed. So the answer is bed. So bed, number 8, BED. It's bed. Can you see? So number 12 is, it's number 12, a piece of furniture with a flat top. So do you know? Yes, it's a table. So number 12, where is the number 12? It is this T. A. Oof, I have to use pencil first. TABLE and E. It's table. Table. Number 13 is belonging to him, his. So you have to fill in a cross his. His, number 13 is a cross. HIS. It's his. Number 14 is, today he is sitting in a chair. Yesterday he dash in the same chair. So yesterday you use past form. So what will sit? Past form is sat. It's SA. Oh, I have to use pencil first. SAT, sat. Number 9 is, in a down you will fill. Hey, diddle diddle, etc. The dish ran away with the spoon. So the dish. Dish, number 9. DISH. Dish. So now we will do number 10. Okay, I am going to read out number 10. It is number 10. Toothpaste is usually in a dish, of course in tube. And number 11 is the word of worst. Worst means bad. So its opposite is best. So B, it's what I will write down here. Tube. TUBNE. And number 11, worst, its opposite is best. BOEST, best. So my dear students, we have done a crossword, a puzzle game. You can see it is filled with a red pointer, but you have to fill it with lead pencil. So it is an interesting game. I hope you people will like it.